Unit 6 mock exemplar, question number 7. What is the product of the expression, what we see in this parentheses and what we see in this parentheses? So product means you what, guys? You multiply, okay? So essentially, if I multiply these two things that we see inside of the parentheses, I should get the product, all right? So let's go and let's multiply them. You know, when you're multiplying two sets of parentheses, we're going to have to use our FOIL method, which means I'm going to multiply my first term by each of these terms, all right? So 1/2, so technically in front of this x squared is a 1. 1/2 multiplied by 1 is 1/2, all right? X squared multiplied by another x squared. Again, you add the exponents, you get x to the 2 plus 2 is 4, all right? So now we're going to multiply 1/2 by my next term. So 1/2 multiplied by 10, half of 10 is 5, all right? X squared multiplied by x is x to the 3rd power. Good job, guys. Now I'm going to multiply my 1/2 x squared by my next term. 1/2 multiplied by negative 12. Half of negative 12 is negative, 6, okay? X squared doesn't have anything to multiply by, so I have just the x squared, all right? So now I'm done with this first term. Now I need to distribute the negative 4, which will be a little bit easier for you because it's not a fraction, all right? So negative 4 multiplied by 1x squared gives me negative 4x squared, because again, negative 4 times a positive 1 is negative 4, and we only have the x squared. Negative 4 times 10x is negative 40x. And negative 4 times another negative will give me positive what? 4 times 12 is 48. All right? So now I'm going to look if there's any like terms that I can combine. So when I look at this, guys, this is the only x to the 4th I see. This is the only x to the 3rd power. But we see two terms that have an x squared. All right? So those are our only two like terms. So everything else we're going to bring down, okay? And then I'm going to do negative 6x squared minus 4x squared. Negative 6 minus 4 is a bigger negative, negative 10x squared. Again, you're not multiplying here, so we don't need to add the exponents, all right? Don't get confused. These are the only terms that are like themselves, so you bring them down, all right? So again, guys, this is my answer, what you see in the box right here. Okay? So again, guys, just like that.